Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to day 2 of 10 days of coach, guys. I am super excited. We got a little momentum going, and today we're going to unbox an item from Coach Outlet. And I went ahead and put it in this humongous box, but I did purchase this item at the Coach Outlet store. Without further ado, let's get into it. All right, guys, so we have this beautiful Coach Ellie file bag. This bag is a bag that I spontaneously purchased. I was not looking for her, and I kind of was taking a quick look around the Coach Outlet store, and oh, it's a little creased here, which I think happened when I had it sitting down like this. As you can see, the leather is super scrumptious and soft, and it's just such a pleasurable experience to carry this bag. So this is called the Ellie file bag. I think this is like one of their larger style bags. I don't know too much about the Ellie. I haven't heard about the Ellie file bag. I don't think I've come across it online, but I looked for it afterwards and I saw that, they do have several colors in this style. So when I was in the store, this blue is really what caught my eye, and I think it's coming up pretty accurate, pretty true to color on camera. It's so vibrant. Like, I love blue, but I don't like all shades of blue. This one is definitely a very nice, vibrant blue. And as you guys know, I unboxed my denim tabby in the last video, so yes, I love blue. Not as much as I love pink, but it's up there. And yeah, guys, this was just so unexpected, which is the beauty of Coach. They have so many styles, they have a wide variety of colors, and you could almost always find something at their stores, whether it be the outlet store or the retail store. I forgot to mention, so the color of this is called Pacific Bright Mineral, I guess blue, but that's what it says, Pacific Bright Mineral. So this particular bag was on sale, guys. It was on like a deep discount, and obviously that's what sealed the deal for me. It was like under the 70% off section, and I was like, yeah, let's go for it. It's beautiful. It caught my eye. It felt amazing, and it's such a simple and minimal silhouette. Not only that, but guys, does this not look like the Hermes Evelyn bag? I mean, come on, look at this. It's like, except for the fact that this has a zipper up top, but it has the same shape as the Hermes Evelyn. This bag is great. Look, it even has a zipper in the back with a pretty generous pocket. As we know, the zipper on these Coach bags that have these cutouts, they sometimes can catch on that section. I mean, it's not a deal breaker because we're happy to get a zipper section in the back, but just know that that kind of happens often. And the leather is just so soft. I mean, honestly, this wasn't like this when I purchased it. Everything looked great, but I think since I've had it, I stored it like this, and as you can see, the leather is so soft and supple that it created a little bit of a crease, which is going to come out. I can easily just stuff the bag and that will come out. It has several adjustable loops. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I kept it on the shortest one. This is the one that fits me the best. I am like around 5'4", and so as a crossbody, it kind of sits like right at my hip, and it's like easy access with the zipper. Let's take a look inside the bag. It's fabric lined. This is a pretty deep slip pocket, and that's it. It's just basically one compartment with a slip pocket, and that's just so easy. Like, this is pretty much like your quintessential mom bag, I guess, because you just have one section in there and you can fit quite a bit. This is just like an easy grab and go carry. So I'm really happy with this bag. I'm so happy I found it in the outlet. I think this color does the bag a lot more justice than, like, let's say black or some of the other colors. And with the gold hardware, it's perfect. Comes with the Coach hang tag, of course. As you guys may know, I do have the mini Evelyn by Hermes, and that one is like a size 16, meaning 16 centimeters. The next size up in Hermes is kind of just too large for me. It's a 29, so that would mean it's 29 centimeters across. This particular bag, this Coach Ellie file, is 26 centimeters across. This is the sweet spot, I think. Like, you can't go wrong with this size because it's not too big, it's not going to take over your body, and it's not too small. You can actually fit stuff in here. It's very generous, actually. And then the leather is just so malleable, and it like forms to your body. Yeah, this is a great pickup. And guys, you won't believe how much I paid for this. I paid $103. I think online right now it's $139. It just gives me a little bit of variety when I need to carry more things. Like, as a mom now of a toddler, yes, I love my mini bags, but sometimes I need more variety of like cute, casual. I need something with a little bit of pizzazz, whether it be the color or the style. So yeah, that's my reasoning or justification. Not that any of us needs any justification. We buy them because they're fun and they make us happy. That's it. Hopefully I have introduced you guys to something new, and I hope you guys check it out and see if you can grab one too, because I only have this one unboxing. What I'll do is I'll include some footage from the Coach Outlet store. It was a Coach outlet store, but it also had the Coach retail like right adjacent to it. It was kind of like mixed, or I should say it was side by side. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, I can't believe I forgot to do this, but I did also buy some bag charms on that same trip, and I didn't buy them at the Coach outlet. I bought them at this other very nice kitschy accessory store. Look at all these goodies. Oh my goodness, I couldn't help myself. I just bought all these. I was thinking I should add it to this bag because it's so plain. And these are the types of bags that are perfect for like these like jumbo, different sized bag charms. And these are all very affordable. Like this one, for example, this was $7.99. This was just too cute. It's like a little octopus, okay? And it has some, I don't know what this is, but some squiggly design. And it says octopus here. It's like written or embroidered. And I think it just pops. I love it. It's just so playful. So let's add this on here and see. Yeah, that's so cute. Oh my god. This is not new. I've had this for a while, actually. I've had this since like the last time back charms were in, which was like, I don't know, like a decade ago maybe. I don't even know. This one goes well because it's a whale. It's a shade of blue. To throw that on there. I got this croissant literally just because I thought it was cute. And then this little lollipop, there's a cat in there. It's moving around with the little stars. It's just super cute. I know I keep saying everything is super cute, but I really do think it is. So there you have it, guys. I got my new bag with my new charms, and it adds just a little fun element to the bag. That's all I have for you guys today. Definitely stick around to watch the Coach store walkthrough and let me know what you think. So I'll see you guys for the next unboxing of 10 Days of Coach. See you next time. Bye.